Evening all. Come out tonight for a solo wild camp up Tal-Y-Fan. So I'm just making my way up now. Forecast is pretty decent. As you can see, clear skies over yonder. Doesn't look too clever up towards Full Frass. Bit of cloud cover. Where I'm going, it's going to be pretty decent by all accounts. Anyway, I'll bring you back in a bit. Not quite got up here yet. I'm currently heading up there for a solo wild camp. Guy Gleeson just coming into view in the distance. And then a castle there. Sorry, just there, Tent Castle. Down to the Conway estuary. Still slowly making my way up. Just had a video from Mark from Twin Peaks Wild Camping, who I was out with last week. Lovingly showing off his bottle of beer. There's some bar somewhere up quite coastally, I could be wrong. Sorry for the heavy breathing. I'll give you a little look round. Well, boys and girls, there's the summit, Tal-Y-Fan. Great home. Quarry above Penmine Mower. Look at that. I think, and I don't want to put the kibosh on it, and I could be in for a half decent sunset tonight. But then when I look up around full frass through more Carneddau, that cloud doesn't look too inviting, but not much behind it, so hopefully it'll pass. Anyway, off to there. So I'm pitched, not entirely happy with the pitch. Looks better from the outside than in, but I'll do. Look at all that. Can't go on with this. Let's have a look. The inside seems a bit saggy this time. You don't seem to be able to tension them very well. I'll have a go with it in a minute. I'm gonna look inside now. Although it's got like a natural sleeping fit for me tonight. Can't sleep with my head up that end. It is very spacious, like. Just can't quite get it pitched tonight like I did last week. So we'll see. A couple of planes. That one. So I've actually put my sleep mat in it, which is the now well famous Trekology UL40. It's actually quite comfortable in there. I'm happy with that. Got my little DAB radio, bit of Union Jack radio. Anybody out there that might watch this, Union Jack want to endorse me for anything, I'll give you a shout out all the time. Go ahead, get in touch. Try anything, I will. Look at that now though. I think we've got about an hour or so till sunset. So I'm just going to finish setting up the tent on inside the tent anyway, and then crack a brew dog. Right, bring you back in a bit. So I've got the Trekology UL80 and the Trekology Aloft Pillow 2.0. Cracking pillow, cracking setup to be fair. You can't knock the Trekology stuff. I've got a pair of their poles as well, which are quite lightweight, and for the price you can't knock them. But yeah, put the sleeping bag out now and grab that beer.
This could be good for me. Lately
So I'm set up.
like I need a purpose.
Should have enough room for me head up that
When you
end.
talk to me,
No, I'll just shimmy down my
give
feet
me
or
the
whatever.
impression
There's so much room in this
won't scratch your surface.
Lanshan. I'm over the moon with it, to be honest.
For days,
I think there's a couple of things that they could do to improve them.
even there to
Little hooks on the side there just to connect up, just to try and pull it off your face a bit more. But all in all, I'm happy with it. Time for a sit down and a beer now. Sure if the video footage does this justice.
lost in your
What I'm looking at.
maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
nice, this one. Chicken curry and rice wayfarer. I do prefer the pasta meatballs. They're amazing. Amaze balls. Sun's almost down now. Look at that. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Hello again, guys, gals, and everyone else. Absolutely cracking night tonight for a sunset. Just going down behind Anglesey there, it was just breathtaking. And there's still a bit of a shimmer from the sun going down. But now you've got the moon coming up behind, got clear skies all around me. Looking forward to putting together a bit of a video on this one, to be honest. Recorded quite a bit. Took a shed load of photos. Tides out on the estuary. So all the natural light is just glimmering off the bits of water still hanging about on the marshland. All the lights are on in Anglesey now, around Carneddau too. I'm sat just partially in the tent and out the tent. With regards to my Lanshan, still love it, although condensation seems to be a bit of a problem. Already I can feel the condensation on the outside. However, it's not going to dampen my night, no pun intended. I'm just going to sit here, chill. I'm on my 4th brew dog. I've had 3 Elvis juices. I'm now on a Hazy Jane. Still got 4 pint cans of Stella there. Whether I drink them all is one thing or another. I'm just quite happy, relaxing. Not had the greatest of weeks from a personal perspective. Got some stuff going on. Won't bore you with that, but this is just like a much needed release as such. Busy week in work, as we all probably have. Bore you a little bit now, obviously, with me working in logistics. The haulage issues are starting to bite us quite big now. I've just noticed a star in the background. Sorry. So yeah, busy all week, chopping and changing with work. Like I say, stuff going on. Going to the gym, trying to lose weight again. But just needed to come out. Also to play my Lanshan. Love my Lanshan. I might even delve and get in the 4-season dinner eventually. But it's a cracking spacious tent. Shed loads of room. Although I do have the Vango Blade Pro 200, which is just an immense tent. You don't get any condensation with that one though. Anyway, I'm going to stop boring you now. I'm going to get back to drinking. A couple of bevies. I'm just going to sit here, chill. I might put me music back on. Brought a couple of magazines and a book. But yeah, bring it back later on. If not, in the morning. Later, peeps. Take it easy. Morning all. Not a bad sleep, not the greatest. Got a bit cold in the night, which I wasn't expecting. Quite a bit of condensation on the Lanshan this morning. We woke up to a special sunrise. Take a look at this. Special for a cloud inversion over the Conway estuary. Conway Valley. Pretty that special thing. We'll have a coffee. The rest of the stuff. See you in a bit. Hello again, as you can see. Leave no trace. All there is just an imprint where my fat backside's been lying all night. No rubbish, nothing left. How it should be. If more and more people did that, then the minority wouldn't give the majority the bad name. Cracking camp. I'm gonna head back down to the car now. I might bring it back just before, but give you one more scout round now the sun's come up pretty decently now. Take a look at that. Stunning cloud inversion. Well guys, that's it for a wild camp. May bring you back, may not. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe. I've got to make my way back down towards there where my brum brum is. It's not very well at the minute, so I'm hoping it'll get me back home. However, thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and there's more to come. Still learning with each video, and hopefully start getting some more subscribers, start making the content that you guys like watching. Shout out to Mark and Simon from Twin Peaks Wild Camping as well. Hope you boys are okay. Go and check them out. Some great footage, especially of last week's venture over Carneddau. Okay guys, later.